Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, and I guess I'm making this video to kind of explain why, and plus we have a new addition to the farm, so I want to show you guys that, and we get to do a really cool first upgrade to that. So let's get into it. Let's talk about why I have been making any videos. All right, so the reason why I had to take a little bit of a break from YouTube was basically I was extremely busy. Me and my wife Stephanie have been building this barn. I'll show it to you guys. So we've been building this barn for the last couple months, since September, and we finally got it pretty much finished up to where it's able to be used, and now we can kind of get our lives back to normal here at the new property. So this is kind of where I've been. If you guys want to see like a really in-depth tour or something, or just want me to talk to you about the barn, I can do that in a future video. Just let me know if you guys are interested in that. But the barn is not what we're here to talk about today. We are here to talk about this guy. This is the new addition to the farm. This thing is a freaking workhorse. I've already been working on it a lot, This is a piece of fence that one of our cows broke. I had to go and run some more barbed wire in the middle of the night the other night. So that was a lot of fun, but this thing was awesome to have around for that. So like I said, today we're here to talk about the new addition to the farm, the 2019 Polaris Ranger 900 XP. And along with talking about it, we are also going to do its first modification. So first modification is going to be these guys right here. So factory, we've got 26-inch tall tires. These are a 27-inch tall tire. These are the factory tires that came with it, brand new. They look pretty cool. They're not bad. They get pretty good traction off-road and stuff. However, they are a little bit bumpy at slow speeds on hard road. So we got these 27-inch tall Maxxis Bighorn tires and different wheels that came on them, because we got these used, but they were takeoffs of another machine, so they're in really good shape. But while we have these tires off, we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of a free lift kit on this thing. So that's exciting. We should get it like an inch and also stiffen up the back, so when we have a big load on in the bed, it's not going to squat, which is good. So let me get the camera set up, and we'll start taking these tires and wheels off and getting this thing going. But before that, let's come around the front here and let's kind of get a before picture of what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. All right, let's go ahead and get these tires off. All right, so as you guys saw in the time lapse, we do have to use these wheel spacers because they're actually wheel adapters. So I guess the wheels that I ended up getting, they weren't factory Polaris wheels. I think they're maybe a Yamaha wheel, which the lug pattern is a little bit different, but that's no big deal. I've ran these on trucks before, and you know, I've always had good luck with them. So real quick, while we have the wheels and tires off, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open up this toolkit. All right, this is a factory toolkit, and it comes with this wrench right here. And this is a special wrench. It's called a spanner wrench. And this is used to adjust your shock. So this is how we're gonna get our free lift kit. There we go, that's one side. So as you guys can see, we are now in the highest position and we were in the lowest position. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And the trick is, you wanna hook this wrench in that little groove there and give it a spin. And there we go. So this should give us like a 1/2 inch or so, maybe 1 inch at the most. There's something else we can do. We can move the shock from where it mounts here to this outer hole, and that should give us another 1/2 inch or so. I think I'm just gonna do this for now because I do wanna stiffen it up just a little bit. That way when we're carrying a lot of weight in it, it's not as squishy. So now that we've got that done, we're gonna bolt the front wheels on, and then we're gonna move to the rear. Like now looks really good. Tire pressure is a little bit low in them, so I got to run over to the garage and put a little air in them, but as you can see, a little squishy, but man, this thing looks good. All right, let's run over to the garage real quick. All right guys, back from the garage. I filled the tires up with air. And man, this thing looks so good. This thing came out really good. So this is probably a short video, but I wanted to give you guys something, let you know what was going on. I'm gonna be able to get back into the filming a lot more now that this big project that we were doing is just wrapping up. So be on the lookout for more videos pretty soon. And comment, let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you guys want a big, barn video, or, you want to see like riding videos or just more mods to this. I've got some things that I want to order as far as modification goes. It's going to make things a lot easier. But thank you guys for watching. I know it's been a while and I apologize again, but we're going to try to get something going to make it a little bit more regular with the uploads. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you could like the video and subscribe if you're new, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.